I am coded. You know, the world is very deeper. That's why you have to live safely and give nature sacrifice. I know why I'm saying this because most of you are not giving nature anything. But you know what? The promise that nature promise you as a human being, that the nature will not be hungry. You understand? The nature will not be hungry. The nature will always eat. Whether you like it or not, the nature will always eat. Highest country and country will fight. They will kill many human beings. It's for the nature. It's like the way you are doing your live streaming or anything, and someone will sub for you. Thank you for the sub. The way you said like that, thank you for the sub. Thank you for the sub. That is how it is. You understand? They will just thank you for the sub. Even if you die, it is still their sacrifice. That's why that their promise that they will not stay hungry. That no matter how it is, you must die. By the day you die, you understand? They will take their sacrifice. Respect the nature. Respect the water. Give them what they want. Go to any road that divide all those candles that divided into 4, 3, even 5. All those roundabouts. Go there and keep sacrifice there. You will save soul.